She's flat laughing.
You like that? You like Buddy?
Come here,
Good
Buddy.
boy, Buddy. She's reaching there.
Those arms are reaching. She thinks that's cool.
Yeah. You see Buddy?
Come here.
Feel that fuzzy dog?
She thinks he's a big teddy bear.
Yeah. It's a big live teddy bear. Yeah, it's a big live teddy bear.
Oh. Oh.
But this close proximity is a little.
What'd you think about that, Izzy? I'm chewing my hair and his hair in my mouth.
Where'd you go? Where'd that doggy go? Come here, bud. Come over here.
Oh, she wants to pet
He
him.
won't come over here.
Come here, buddy. Come here. I'll pet you. Come here.
Oh, she's like, oh, gimme.